guys, so today I'm reviewing this Atticus poetry hat, and this is a beige color. First, I really like the look of it. It has that vintage wash style, so it doesn't look brand new and stiff. It has more of a relaxed casual look, which I personally like. The hat is made from 100% cotton, so it feels soft and lightweight, and it's not really heavy on the head. It's just super comfortable to wear. And on the front, it has this small black embroidered heart, which is simple but really cute, just adds a little bit of spice. And then on the side, it has the quote, "Love her, but leave her wild." I think that makes the hat a little bit more unique, but it's still not too much. It's nice and basic still. And the back is adjustable, which is really nice. It has a metal buckle closure, so you can make it tighter or looser depending on your head size. So yes, this is one size, because it's adjustable, it should fit most people. The brim is already curved, so you don't have to shape it yourself. It also gives nice shade if you're wearing it outside. And I feel like this is a kind of hat you can wear with a very casual outfit like jeans, leggings, shorts, or even when you are going for a walk, traveling, going to the beach, or just running errands. So the stitching looks good, it's embroidered, it looks clean, the buckle feels sturdy. So overall, I think this is a really cute hat. It's simple, comfortable, adjustable, and I really like the neutral beige color because it can match with a lot of outfits. So now I'm gonna put it on and show you how it looks. I think you guys would really like this hat.